Cuyahoga County's health department says COVID-19 cases are now widespread, affecting nearly every space.
I know for myself and the medical community on the front lines, this is the scariest time in my career.
Right now, there are 330 confirmed cases of coronavirus in Cuyahoga County. That, by the way, the most of any county in Ohio. Now we're getting a better idea of how coronavirus is affecting the area. 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll takes a closer look.
One of the big things we now know is the percentage of people who have been tested for COVID-19 here in Cuyahoga County who have tested positive. The county says it's only about 5%, but the county's medical director says that can be deceiving. The long lines mostly gone from Cuyahoga County's coronavirus testing sites. Amid a shortage of tests, only the highest risk patients now being screened. This map of confirmed cases released today by the Cuyahoga County Board of Health shows widespread cases of COVID-19 across the county. But health officials admit that's just part of the picture.
You see it's everywhere, and that's with very limited testing. You can truly only imagine the actual number of infections in the community.
The county's Board of Health says 29% of those patients required hospitalization. 12% of confirmed cases required time in intensive care. More than a quarter work in health care. To try and slow the spread, Cuyahoga County Executive Armin Budish announced today he's authorized $1 million for the purchase of more personal protective equipment.
We will spend what is necessary to help our hospitals and caregivers and first responders to get through this.
Already, the county says it's seeing evidence of a so-called flattening of the curve, avoiding a sudden surge of sick patients that could overwhelm doctors, hospitals, and supplies. But the health commissioner warns that can change quickly.
You need to ask yourself in your heart of hearts whether you need to be active right now, because decisions made about that may result in people interacting close together will have decisions that affect people's lives.
We put a copy of the county's map breaking down COVID-19 cases by zip code online. You can find that on the News 5 app. In Cleveland, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.